Thank you, bro.
1
Thank you
week.
so much. Yeah.
1 week.
Promise. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Uy,
Oh, why?
pinag-utangan mo na, Indiano?
Andiyan na?
Oo! May isa mo.
Dito. Tama mo,
Kulay, patay ka. Sige, sige.
Totoo, dali mo.
Kumising ka na, magbayad ka ng utang mo.
Hello? I came to see your husband. Where's your husband?
Already dead.
What?
Yes, you look.
What do you mean dead? Dead?
Yeah,
Patay?
Yeah, patay na.
Why?
I don't know.
Let me confirm if he's dead or if he's alive. He's alive!